for the knee. There are bunches, but this one is this one's biomechanically significant from the standpoint of if you want to get something accomplished. This is probably one of the most significant things to do. Recognize that when the knee is contracted and it's in flexion, which is usually the case. When you're going to rehabilitate a knee, you're going to rehabilitate the tightness of the knee and flexion. And you desire extension. Okay, now, here's the question. Is extension an internal rotation or external rotation?
Internal rotation.
Internal rotation. Because you know that the pattern of PNF is internal rotation.
Yeah.
So what will you lose? What will you lose when you have when the knee has contracted in flexion?
Internal rotation.
You will lose internal rotation. You desire to get it back. Okay? So here you have an opportunity to distract the knee and encourage internal rotation with distraction. So what does this look like? You're going to bend the knee and be able to put your hand right where the popliteal fossa is. If you put it in the right place, you can yank this person right off the table. Did you see it? Slow motion. I've anchored this strong enough that all I have to do is just move my body. You notice what's happening up there?
Yeah. He's smiling.
First is about to shift.
Okay, and this is one-handed. Okay? Now, so once I've anchored this, I am going to create intrinsic motions that are distraction and internal rotation. Distraction and internal rotation. Distraction and internal rotation. That's all there is to this. Now you say, oh, it looks easy. No, it's not. Because you're trying to do two things at the same time. You're distracting the knee here and creating internal rotation. This hand is going this way as this hand is going into internal rotation. So I have a contra force. Okay? See the contra force? Yeah. And then it goes in. If you do this right, you'll hear all kinds of crunches and crackles and pops and all kinds of things. But eventually what will happen is it will unlock, and then the knee itself will go into terminal extension. Okay? What does it take for terminal extension?
The lock.
Screw home. Okay? Which means, guess what? The femur goes internally, the tibia goes
Externally.
externally. Is it a coincidence that I have now anchored the tibia and I'm going laterally as this is going medially? This is screw home. This is what you accomplish by doing this distractive technique. Okay? How you start? Bend, anchor, lock. You'll know you lock it because you can move the entire body. This is going externally because this is the tibia. This is going internally. That is the fibula. The femur, sorry. Okay. No fibula there. All right. And how am I doing? Did you notice something interesting?
It's cracking a lot.
You also notice something interesting about extension. All right. Any questions? Okay, now you're taking the fundamentals of body mechanics and using it to accomplish the screw home mechanism.